Space Kitten refrigerator magnet versus smartphone applications. I uploaded my 16 very cute kittens to an online store as refrigerator magnets because I was looking for a refrigerator magnet earlier in the day. Priced at $6, of which 2 I'd get to keep if I ever made a sale. What holds great value for me is actually creating a product that could be purchased. Aside from some views, I can't imagine anybody buying it, and certainly not the whole set, which is $100. The refrigerator magnet component is actually just an addition on top of what a space kitten really is. A neat little piece of art, which I ran through an upscaler now to a whopping 2048 by 2048 pixels. They are very detailed. Images, homemade MP3 songs, and files in general, rather than programs, have the unique property of being finished. Done. No upgrades, no bug fixes. Compared to an app, this is a dream unlike any other. This is because an empire of 10,000 cute refrigerator magnets that are only printed and assembled when a sale is made never needs any maintenance. 10,000 refrigerator magnets is of course an exaggeration of what is already an example, though cute, product. A real product in this space would perhaps be t-shirts or posters. Perhaps imaginary movies that sound better than whatever blockbusters they were inspired by. Or classical works of art expanded to show a wide-angle shot of what's going on around the scene. The point I'm trying to make is that apps, website themes, and software in general requires maintenance. Apps call for re-releases with each new version of the OS that they run on. Bug fixes that are basically a constant because everything around your program is also getting fixed and upgraded. So an app is not a static thing like an image of a cute cat. It's always moving and fidgeting. Sometimes people may want new features. That's something you have to keep in mind as well. Sometimes new features will call for rewriting the whole code base. And this usually takes years. A really cool t-shirt design or even a crazy intricate shower curtain is just done. It is complete. There is never a need to start fixing something in a shower curtain. Programmers have a saying, code is liability. But wait, there is more. There is another step back that we can make for an even more pleasant experience. Here, rather than signing up for an e-commerce website, or what usually becomes a dozen or 2 e-commerce websites, and formatting our artwork to fit some product and filling in the countless description boxes, we instead create a unique and beautiful product kit that then can be purchased by a person interested in exploring online sales or expanding their existing empire. We are talking about just a zip file with beautiful images on the inside. We can take our shower curtain, for example. At 72 by 72 inches, a standard size, we can embed about 200 works of art at about 3.5 by 3.5 inches. 10 such shower curtains containing 2,000 unique art creations, spanning anything between workout doodles, furry creatures, caricatures, and abstract art, laughing horses, anime, chibis, kawaii, all kinds, and perhaps even frogs on stilts, represents something that can make a lot of money for a person looking to create multiple online stores. Because their biggest concern is what to put on the coffee mug, what to put on that shower curtain or poster or magnet like I did. They just need artwork. You see? This is a unique product kit. No two shower curtain kits will ever share a work of art. From your perspective, in this brave new world of beautiful computer-generated art, a single curtain may take a day or maybe even a week to design, as you have to make sure everything is perfect and not to distort it. It's probably a lot less than a week. And arranging 200 artworks together is a single image magic command on Linux, so you don't actually have to align anything. You just have to inspect that the art is perfect. So just look at it. Here, from your perspective, you are just selling zip files containing images. From your customer's perspective, you are selling precious and exciting pieces of their online empire. You see? Very cool. In closing, apps require maintenance, and their code is always a liability. And even if you had a bug-free app, which happens, you would still need to fix bugs because the systems that your app runs in constantly expand and they get bug fixes and then they force you to change things in your code. Creating products based on art designs, handmade or beautifully generated, requires a lot less worry. You don't have to fix bugs anymore. But there is even one more step that you can make and sell product kits to people looking to expand their online offerings. They just want to create a presence where people will spend a little bit of money if they advertise well. So all they really need is 24 coffee mugs with fascinating high-resolution designs and details, maybe 100 refrigerator magnets spanning, maybe 5 concepts, such as horses or smiley faces, and perhaps 10 shower curtains. Furthermore, they don't have to rely on their e-commerce store to actually set everything up, from printing the product to shipping. Some people may be interested in buying your art for the purpose of actually making a large order and then selling that to somebody else. Point is, art is a very cool thing to be dealing with. Here you are purely digital. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to configure product boxes and figure out prices and commission and all that. You just ensure that your art is highly detailed and really intricate and creative and fascinating.